Welcome to 10th class in online tutorial on behalf of Awesome Water School. Myself Jayashree Trivedi welcomes you all. Here for the textbook, we have two textbooks. Number one is First Flight, that is the textbook. Remaining 11 chapters, concluding 11 units, concluding with the poem. Another book of that is the Footprints without. One question is how is it possible? Footprints without feet? That is the completely story. That is called supplementary stories are there. So we have to complete in our 10th standard syllabus. We have to complete these two books with the poem and chapters too. Supplementary books too, because they have supplementary question. The passage, read the passage carefully and give the answer for 4 marks. Supplementary questions and supplementary poem too. That have this type of question paper. So you already know about it. We already discussed before how our papers set by board. 20 marks, that is internship marks, and 80 marks papers. We have to convert into 80 marks. So here in these two books, total number of 11 units. Out of 11 units, number 1, a letter to God. We already completed, we already understood. Here today I am discussing about chapter 7. But chapter 7 have 3 sub points. Number 1, a packet from Goa. That is also a story. Second, Cook. It means we can say that a piece of heaven. Cook means a particular state. His crop is coffee. That is a very good place. And the third one, tea from Assam. Before going to wake up from Goa or going to drink tea from Assam, today we are going to pass the journey of coffee. A crop coffee, already know about that. Coffee. Coffee is made from the cocoa trees. That is made coffee. Coffee where the cook is there. The cook is there in the state of Karnataka, where in the between of Mysore and Mangalore. Mangalore is the coastal region of Karnataka. Here in which between Mysore and Mangalore, the Coorg or Korju, we can say that it's situated. Coorg is a typical region of rituals, typical region of sculpture, or his dresses, or his costumes, or it is related to Greek and Arabian descent, because almost the dress code of the Kurgi people are called kufia or kufia. They wear long pajama and long like Arabian people. Also we can know about that the Kurgi people are known as a very decent and vulnerable and famous for their hospitality, because one the person, General Kariappa, who was the chief of our first Indian army, he was belonged to Coorg. He was belonged to. So let's understand this chapter, Coorg, page number 96, 90 and 97 on this textbook. So Coorg is a coffee country, famous for its rainforest and spices. How the Coorg famous for its, let's understand very well. Let's understand the chapter 7, Coorg. What is Coorg? First of all, you mean that what is Coorg? Coorg means Korju. It's a particular crop forest of coffee. Coorg by Lokesh and Dole talks about the history of Coorg and in the people. Coorg, also known as a Korju, it's a small district in Karnataka. It's a midway between Mysore and Mangalore in the coastal way of Mangalore region. What is the story about the Kodwes people's descent? To hear Coorg by Lokesh Abroad talks about that the history of Coorg and his people. It is believed that before the Alexander army, at that time Kurgi people there, and that independent people of Coorg are the descendant of Greek and Arabian descent. They have one closer like Arabian descendants too. The history can be traced in the long ago times of Alexander. The story suggests that a part of Alexander's armies moved south along to his the coastal region and settled in Cook. At that time, we believe that the Cook is related to the Alexander's army too. Its material traditions, its customs, its costumes, its simplicity, its hospitality. It is famous for the Kuti people. They wear the black coat with an embroidery waist belt known as kupia. We can also known as kupia too. The first chief of the Indian Army, General Cariappa, was belongs to Kurgi too. So before starting the chapter, we have to think about what is Cook, how the people of Cook, how the main crop of Cook, and how the animals you are likely to see in the Cook. Basically, here I am giving you a journey of Cook, and here we all are come with me to the Mysore and Mangalore, and we go there on the Cook. The distance between the Mangalore and the tribe. So, the people of Kurgi are descendant of Greek and Arabians descent. Their men they wear material silks of a warrior, and the woman looks beautiful. The people are always open to hospitality. They never say goodbye, please come. They always say welcome. From the author's description about the Cook, it can be said that their main crops are coffee and spices, because Cook is known as coffee and spices. Third, the Cook offers a variety of adventures and sports there to the tourists. So many tourists there go in the Cook. Cook is 260 kilometers from Bangalore to one can take a flight from Ahmedabad to, we can travel by bus to and by train to. That flight goes to Delhi, Bombay and Pune etc. up to Bangalore. And from here one can take either of the two routes of Cook. Number one, via Mysore we can go there, and via Mangalore we can go there. And Mysore route is the very best route to see the Cook. So let's understand the chapter very easily. Let's explain the chapter 7.2 Cook, the Piece of Heaven, written by Lokesh Abroad. See, Cook is the main crop is coffee and spices. Midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore sits a piece of heaven. Underline this. The Cook is another name called piece of heaven that must have drifted from the kingdom of God. Why we can say the piece of heaven? Because it is gifted from the God. It's a very beautiful place. Look like that people. This land of rolling hills inhabited by a proud race of marital men, beautiful women and wild creatures. Underline this, how this place is called piece of heaven, because three things are very important with this thing. A proud race of marital men, beautiful women and wild creatures. Coorg or Korju, another name of Coorg is Korju. The smallest district of Karnataka is home to evergreen rainforest, spices and coffee plantation. It's known as with spices and coffee plantation. Evergreen rainforest cover 30% of the district. 30% cover of coffee, that is pine. Overall, 30% areas are planted by coffee plantation. During the monsoons, it pours enough to keep many visitors away. During monsoon, so many visitors are from away because so many rains is there in that region. The season of joy commences from September and continues till March. September to March are the enjoyable days of this area. So if you want to go there, so go between September to March. The weather is perfect. At that time, no rain is there, no hot is there, humid weather is there. Because in the Karnataka region, almost 6 months are rain there. The language of Karnataka is Kannada too. With some showers thrown in for good measure, the air breathes of invigorating coffee, estate and colonial bungalows, colonels' bungalows, stand tucked under the canopies in prime corner. Here colonel bungalows are there because all the people are from Alexander's army. So this land belongs to Arabians too, it belongs to Greeks too, it belongs to Alexander's too. So mixed culture is here. The fiercely independent people of Cook are possibly of Greek and Arabic descent. As the story goes, a part of Alexander's army moved south about the coast and settled here when Britain became impractical. These people married amongst the locals and their culture is apparent in the marital traditions, marriage and religious rites, rituals, which are distant from the Hinduism, which are the distance from the Hindu mainstream. Here we have rituals like Arabians and like Greeks too. The theory of the Arab origin draws support from the long black coat, how they wear clothes. Black coat with an embroidered waistbelt worn by the Kodavaras known as kufia. Kodavaras is a particular thing. It resembles the kufia worn by the Arabs and the Kurds too. Kurgi homes have a tradition of hospitalities, means agata, swagata, hospitalities. How you welcome your guest, how you treated your guest, how you say goodbye to your guest, that is called hospitality. To serve it. And they are more than willing to recount numerous tales of valor related to their sons and fathers. They are depicted from the sons and fathers, the rituals, the customs of their descendants. They have good inbuilt on their future. The Cook regiment is one of the most decorated in the Indian Army. Cook regiment is very good. We can show in Independence Day too, and we can show in Republic Day too. General Cariappa was the first chief of the army, belongs to Cook. And the first chief of the Indian Army, General Cariappa, was a Kurgi. Even now, Kodavars are the only people in India permitted to carry fire caps without a license. Here the person have firearms, all have need, but all the persons need to got the license first. Then and then after they have firearms. But the Kurgi, except one the community, they have no license, still they are using firearms. The river Kaveri obtains its water from the hills and forests of Cook. Here the water of Kaveri, Krishna is southern part, but Kaveri is nearby the Krishna. Out of Maharashtra, completed Maharashtra, connected to Andhra Pradesh and then goes to Karnataka. The Kaveri flows. Here the Kurgi people use the Kaveri waters. Mahasi, a large freshwater fish about this water. So here you can see the animals. Mahasi, a large fish. Kingfisher dive for their catch. Kingfisher you can also see here. While squirrels and langurs, langurs is a types of monkey, drop partly eaten fruits for the mischief of enjoying the splash and the ripple effect in the clear water. Elephants enjoy here, so many animals you can see here. bath and scrub in the river by their Mahabhat. Here so many elephants come with their Mahabhat and bath in the Kaveri water too. The most laid-back individuals become converts to the life of high-energy adventures with river rafting. Here we can enjoy river rafting means a long wood plot, and we can use it's like a boat too. That is called in Gujarati we can say tarapo. One rafting. Rafting means you can use the wooden sheet on the water and moving by your hands and moving by a stick. You can enjoy the rafting. Canoeing, rappelling, rocks climbing, and mountain biking. We can enjoy this. Numerous walking trails in this region are a favorite with the trekkers. This is a trekking portion, so you can use trekking here. Birds, bears, and butterflies. 3 B's are there: birds, bears, and butterflies. You can enjoy the lots of birds. You can enjoy the bears, and you can enjoy the butterfly. So remember 3 B's here. In there to give you company. Maggots, Malabar squirrels, langurs, and slender lords keep a watchful eye from the tree company. I do, however, prefer to step aside for wild animals. Yes, here I suggest that if you want to go